Struggling with stuffy sinuses or persistent cough? Stick around and watch this video to the end. I'll show you how thyme tea, backed by science, can naturally ease congestion. And I'll also share 2 great Amazon finds to get you started. If you're searching for a natural way to ease congestion, soothe coughs, and support your overall wellness, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore why thyme tea is a trusted herbal remedy used for generations to bring comfort and relief. You'll discover how thyme tea can help with stuffy sinuses, persistent coughs, and even boost your immune system. We'll break down the science-backed benefits, show you how to brew the perfect cup at home, and share our top product picks to get you started. Think of thyme leaf tea as a warm hug in a mug, providing comfort when you feel under the weather. This isn't just folklore. Modern interest is backed by a growing understanding of how the compounds in thyme work. As we all look for more control over our own well-being, turning to thyme-tested herbal teas like thyme just makes sense. It's an easy, accessible step toward a more natural lifestyle. So grab your favorite mug and let's dive in. What is thyme and why it works? Thyme is an aromatic herb from the mint family and is packed with healing compounds like thymol and carvacrol, known for their antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and expectorant effects. These compounds help break down mucus, reduce inflammation, and soothe the respiratory system. Studies show thyme tea offers real relief. In one German trial, a blend of thyme and ivy leaf reduced bronchitis symptoms, including cough. Healthline also highlight thyme's ability to reduce inflammation and mucus, which helps with nasal congestion and coughing. But that's not all. Thyme tea may also aid digestion and relieve bloating, making it a comforting choice after meals. It serves as a powerful source of antioxidants, helping to protect your organs and support immune health, as highlighted by Medicine.net. Thyme tea can promote relaxation, ease menstrual cramps, and even support heart health and blood pressure regulation, though most evidence comes from animal studies, according to Dreamstime, Tartletter, and Healthline. Thyme tea is generally safe, but use caution if you're allergic to other mint family plants, pregnant, or on blood pressure or blood sugar medications. These compounds could interact or lead to side effects like nausea or migraines, as according to AnadoluMedicalCenter.com and Dreamstime. How to brew your own thyme tea at home is easy and rewarding. Start by bringing about 2 cups of water to a gentle boil. Add a teaspoon of dried thyme or a small handful of fresh thyme sprigs, or you can even use thyme leaf tea bags in the hot water. Cover your cup or teapot and let the thyme steep for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the beneficial oils and flavors to infuse fully. Once the thyme is up, strain the tea into your favorite mug for an extra touch of comfort. If you choose to use tea bags, then you do not have to strain the tea. Add a spoonful of honey and a squeeze of lemon. Sip slowly and enjoy the soothing warmth and aroma of homemade thyme tea. Ready to experience the soothing benefits of thyme tea without any extra steps? We've curated these 2 top picks to make your tea journey even easier. First up, Clubhouse Quality Natural Herbs and Spices Organic Thyme Leaves in a convenient 20-gram pack. Perfect for those targeting digestive or respiratory support, these dried thyme leaves are a staple for your wellness pantry. If you prefer the convenience of tea bags, try TEARELAE Thyme. Tea bags premium, non-GMO, and caffeine-free. With 60 bags per box, it's a simple way to enjoy thyme's natural benefits anytime. Explore these options and discover the perfect thyme tea for your needs. Click on any of the affiliate links that is provided in the description of this video, whether you prefer the thyme leaves, the tea bags, or both, to get started on your wellness journey today. Remember, a cup of thyme tea is just a click away. As we mentioned before, thyme tea offers natural, science-backed relief from congestion, coughs, and digestive discomfort, and it's packed with beneficial compounds for your overall well-being. Whether you brew it at home using fresh or dried thyme, or choose one of the convenient options we featured, adding thyme tea to your routine is a simple way to support your health. I know that you find this video informative, informational, and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel, and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. On my channel, you will find nutritious meals and practical meal prep ideas designed for clean eating and wellness. Expect lifestyle recipes, healthy recipes, and insightful healthy lifestyle tips to inspire you every day. Join our community and let's make wholesome cooking simple, delicious, and sustainable. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more nutrition-driven wellness hacks from the Nutrition Wolf. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.